Almost done. Time to feed the girls and rotate them to the riverside paddock. Also, this one back here keeps lagging behind, so we're not sure if it's sick or something. It's very small. Some of you are looking big. Hey Liz. Hey. Sorry Liz, it's already empty. Yeah, it's all gone. It's not magic, you know. It's not just gonna refill up. Look, he's lifting his lip up so he can get extra scent. And he's pooping at the same time. What, there isn't enough grass on that side? Look at this. Yeah, that's not normal behavior. Going out by themselves. Gotta get some not fetch in with Jess. Jess doesn't really know the concept of fetch. She doesn't really understand. You're the one that's meant to be fetching, not me, okay? Yeah! What are you doing, Jess? No, get out of it. No! Aren't you gonna help, Jess? So we got another big hole to fill in. I think Jess wants to help. You help this time?